It's about damn time. Tarte just launched their brand new foundation, but we just got it. Yeah, you guys may have gotten it a year ago, depending on where you are globally, but here in Canada, I just got it. This is insane, but it doesn't actually surprise me because when they launched their Tarte Shape Tape concealer, which is iconic, you have it, I have it, we all love it. It is an oldie but a goodie. That one launched back in 2016, but I couldn't get my hands on it here in Canada until 2021. You heard me. Years went by. So when this launched this week here in Canada, I'm like, you know what? I've got to try this out. There's 21 shades in the collection, but I'm already colossally disappointed. Do you guys want to know why? This is only good for 6 months. What is up with that? All right, guys, we're going to find out. Let's get into it. I've got it right here. So this is called Shape Tape Cloud Coverage. And I'm like, the name is iconic, right? We love it. I love it so much. So this one is actually only good for 6 months. I just don't know how I feel about the whole 6-month thing, but this is it. The package is super cute. They kind of stayed on point with the iconic purple. I like it. It's really nice. It doesn't feel super luxe to me though, because I don't know, it just doesn't feel luxe. I picked up the shade 16N Fair Light Neutral. So we're going to see if this is a good match. Okay, so that's one pump right there. This does say you could warm it up on the back of your hand. Now it does say on the website to go ahead in and add your moisturizer and your SPF. Today I'm doing it like I do for you guys, where I'm not going to use those products. I'm going to do it for you guys like I always do, and I will prime one side of my face so you guys can see the difference with primer and without. So for primer today, I have been loving this one right here. This is Secure the Sweat from One Size Beauty. If you guys have not seen my video on this, the review, the product, it is stunning. It's amazing. Definitely check it out. I will leave it in the description for you guys. The website does suggest you go in with a dime size amount on the back of your hand to warm it up. Use a foundation brush to apply, so we will do that. Now this is one pump. I feel like that's a little bit more than what I would call a dime size, but you know, we're just going to use it. I'm going to use the Makeup by Mario foundation brush right here. I like this one a lot, so why don't we use it? I'm going to just stipple this on the back of my hand. It's interesting that we have to warm up the product like this, but so far it's actually looking like it's going to be a little orange on me, so we'll see how this looks. I'm just going to start by applying it. Okay, it's actually not a bad shade match. Covers really good, that hyperpigmentation spot. Scent. There's barely no scent to this. It just smells clean, like makeup, but not like Revlon back in the day makeup. It just kind of has like a clean makeup smell. Now considering I'm just going in with half my face right now to show you guys the product, I have like nothing on the back of my hand. My brush feels really dry. It feels like it's really sinking in and drying down fast. It's a pretty coverage, but you're not getting enough with one pump to go in and do your whole face. Not with the back of my hand, because I feel like it absorbed into my skin. So I will use the palette here to pump onto for the other side of my face. I want to see if I get any more spread from this foundation. Honestly, it's pretty. Considering I have nothing on under my skin, I'm actually really impressed with this. It's already dried down, like there's no tack to it. I could go without powder for this one. I like it. It's actually like a dead ringer for my skin tone. Like I honestly didn't think it would be, but considering I put it on my hand a while ago, it didn't really oxidize down much more. I like that. Now I am just going to add a little bit to my ear before moving on to the other side. Alright, now let's pump one more pump. It does say go in with one pump for your whole face. I don't know how that would work out. I don't think you would get enough. So I'm just going to stipple this on the palette to warm it up. I'm just going to go in. Yeah, you get way more when you don't use your hand. Definitely go in with a palette to apply this, because you do get more on your brush. It doesn't absorb so fast. Okay, so it applies super easy over that amazing, super amazing primer. Loving that. Damn good coverage. I'm impressed. Alright, given the fact that I have primer on, and it is amazing primer, I have 0 pores right here. I love that. It's giving me full coverage. I feel like with the primer, I'm getting a little bit more of a, I mean, it's a mattifying primer, but you get that kind of angelic glow. It's a little bit uplifting. I kind of really like that. This side, again, I just have on the foundation, no makeup or any primer, moisturizer underneath, no SPF. It's falling a little bit flat, so I really do like the way it looks under that primer. On top of the primer. You guys know what I mean. So I'm just going to take a little bit. It's nice that you can actually squeeze and just a little bit will come out instead of a full pump. I enjoy that quite a bit because sometimes a full pump is just a waste. I am going to go in right here under my eyes, on the apples of my cheeks where I want just a little bit more coverage, on my nose, and just build that up just a little bit. I want to see how this product builds and layers. Alright, stunning. Like, that is drop dead gorgeous. Of course, we're going to go in with the iconic Shape Tape Concealer. So this is it right here. So if you guys are curious, I'm also Fair Light Neutral 16N. Okay, good match. So this has been like a ride or die concealer for forever, and this is actually almost empty. Definitely that Sephora VIB sale is coming up, so I will be repurchasing. So I'm just going to go right under my eyes here to blend that out. I usually do a V right here. You guys seen me apply concealer so many times. I go down the center of my nose, down my cupid's bow, apply some right here to my chin. I will go on top of the hyperpigmentation spot and I'll repeat on the other side so I don't have a brighter side. But the coverage I got over that foundation with the hyperpigmentation spot on. I barely needed it. So I always start with the hyperpigmentation spot. Okay, it's erased. It's gone. Lasered off. It is done. That is nice. I like that. So it blends super amazing. Okay, so far, that is a nice blend. I like that quite a bit. If you guys are looking for a great foundation for the spring, summer, this is hands down one of the most amazing I've tried lately. It's up there with the Gucci, definitely, because I liked that one a lot. But probably my favorite that I've tried recently is the Say foundation. That one was amazing. So if you guys haven't seen my video on that, definitely check it out. But I liked that one. That one reminded me a lot of the Lady Gaga formula. But this one right here, scent-free, flawless. The finish is just amazing. I do prefer the side right here that I do have that amazing Patrick Star primer under. But this side is giving me life. It's giving me, you know, clean, amazing, run out the door, you know, fast vibe. This side just looks a little bit more flawless to me because I have that amazing primer on underneath. But again, it's not emphasizing pores right here and I don't have anything on underneath. So considering it's not creasing here, it's not creasing under my eyes, I'm impressed. And I'm talking like a mile a minute right now. But I'm heavily impressed with this. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think because I'm curious. Like, are you guys going to pick this one up? Which one have you picked up lately? Do you guys like the foundation reviews? Let me know. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you guys don't miss when I drop a new video because there are so many new videos coming. Alright guys, until next time, live, love, and lip gloss. Bye!